Here is how to bulk export test customers in Stripe, step by step. Start by signing in to your Stripe dashboard. Once you are in, make sure the account is set to test mode before you continue. This matters because the export will reflect the data from the mode you are currently viewing. So if you stay in live mode, you will not get your test customers. After test mode is active, look to the left-hand menu and select Customers. This opens the Customers page, where Stripe lists the customer records connected to the current mode. Give the page a moment to load if needed, then move to the upper right corner of the screen. There, click the Export button. Stripe will open the Export Customers window, which is where you define exactly how the customer export should be created. The first setting to look at is Time Zone. Choose the time zone you want Stripe to use for the export. This affects how date-based information is interpreted in the file, so it is worth checking before you continue, especially if your account activity spans multiple regions. Next, go to the Date Range section. Here you can decide which set of test customers to include in the export. Stripe provides preset options such as today, current month, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, last month, and all. There is also a custom option if you need a more specific date window. Select a range that matches the customer records you want to pull. If you are trying to capture all test customers available in the account, choose All. If you only need a limited period, pick the preset or custom range that fits that time frame. After that, move to the Columns section. This is where you choose which customer data fields will appear in the exported file. Review the available fields and select the ones you want included. This step controls how much detail the export contains, so it is a good moment to make sure the file will include the specific customer information you plan to review or use elsewhere. If a field is not selected here, it will not appear in the export. Once the time zone, date range, and columns are set the way you want, click Export. Stripe will begin creating the customer export based on your selections. Depending on the amount of test customer data in the account, this may take a moment. When the export finishes, Stripe will provide the file for download according to the dashboard workflow. Your test customer export from Stripe is now generated with the selected date range and columns.